In this video, we're turning off Hibernation in Windows 11. This is useful if you want to free up disk space, remove the Hibernate option from the power menu, or keep your system strictly in sleep or shutdown mode. Hibernation works by saving the entire system state to a file on your drive. That file can be several gigabytes in size, especially on systems with a lot of memory. If you never use Hibernate, that space is just sitting there, doing nothing. Let's start with the fastest and most reliable method. First, open the Start menu and type Command Prompt. From the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This step matters because Windows will not allow power settings to change without admin access. Once the command window is open, enter the command shown on screen and press Enter. This single command disables Hibernation completely. The moment you run it, Windows removes the Hibernate option from the power menu. It also deletes the Hibernation file from your system drive, instantly freeing up disk space. There's no restart required. The change takes effect immediately. If you want to confirm that Hibernation is really disabled, open File Explorer and go to your C drive. You will no longer see the Hibernation file there. That's Windows confirming the feature is off. Now let's quickly check the power menu. Click Start, open the power options, and you'll notice that Hibernate is gone. Only Sleep, Shutdown, and Restart remain. At this point, Hibernation is fully disabled at the system level. Windows will not recreate the file unless you manually turn the feature back on. If you ever want to re-enable Hibernation, the process is just as simple. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again, enter the opposite command shown on screen, and press Enter. Windows recreates the file and restores the Hibernate option instantly. One important thing to know is that disabling Hibernation also turns off Fast Startup. Fast Startup relies on Hibernation technology, so when Hibernate is disabled, Fast Startup goes with it. For many power users, that's actually a benefit, not a drawback. And that's it. No menus to dig through, no registry edits, and no reboot required. You've now fully disabled Hibernation in Windows 11, cleaned up disk space, and simplified your power options. A small change, but a surprisingly satisfying one.